Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're playing with the Paige kit. This is the last of, I don't even know what collection this is from Paige Evans, but I'm sure you do. So this is all I have left. Just a few stickers. Maybe we can make a title. We'll have to figure out. We're going to do Rob eating a fish sandwich at the Garney night. I mean, we'd have to cut him. Let's see if we do it like so. We can actually use this to mat it. Cut right here and then right here. All right, see. Anyway, so we're gonna cut that, use that to mat. I've got some scraps here and just a few of the 6x8 paper pad. I'm going to use my only 2 sheets that we have left. And we're going to cut this down to 11 1/4 by 11 1/4. And we're going to mat it with this. Okay. And so we've got this going on. And I thought we could just, you know, go with this. Put that there. And then mat the photo with the hearts, and we'll get this on here. So let's just trim that one down and put this right there, and we can put the photo on there and we'll mat it and all of that. So well, you know what, let's just try to use this all up. Let's just go for broke, guys. Go ahead and put that there, and then we just have these little scrap-a-rooskies left. So let me trim that, let me get this taped down, and we'll be right back. Alright, I've got Food Win is my title. We've got this popped up. I've put 3 little stickers here, and then I want to get these little tags. I took some time to fussy cut out some of the items, the ones in this bin here, or just need to be fussy cut. Pop these right here, and I want to kind of, oh no, get that one right there. So you were made to do great things. Because this is my hubby. You know, showing his face. He loves, guys, he totally loves when I take pictures like this of him. Swear. Actually, right after that, he was like, "Take a picture of me, stop it." And let's go with some of the brown. A little twine. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, that is all weird now, but hey, it's okay. Alright, so usually when I do these, then I grab a little bit of glue, you know, and I just kind of put right in here, and then I will add it right behind that so that it sticks. We'll give it just a little hold. Then we'll come in with the next one. Do the same thing. right underneath there. It's just going to help it. You guys just hold that in place for a little bit because I can't pull it tight, because if you pull it too tight, you'll rip the paper. And then we're just going to snip, snip. And then we have, well, that's stuck on my finger. So I do like this. Maybe we can go that, and then like that, maybe? What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? I don't like that. So let's do that. Just kind of thinking things through. It's totally perfect to change your mind. And let's pop this one up. And we'll use different foam so that we get a different level. And I always probably put way too many, but that's okay. Foam is something I have a lot of until I run out, right? All right. Just gonna keep going. So it's September still, and I am waiting for several design team boxes. So next weekend, the first weekend in October, we'll be in South Dakota. We're going to Deadwood, something we've always wanted to do. So we did have this trip planned, and then that's going on. So I'm trying, like, this will complete this event. So that's one thing marked off, but I've got so many, you guys, that I just need to try to figure out because I don't get in here as much as I would like. All right, then we have Home Sweet Home is not gonna work. What do we have over here? It's mostly little wordy bits. So a thank you, Bloomin' Beautiful, keep going, keep growing. No. I'm trying to figure out, like, I don't want to just add to add, right? We don't have any more paper. I did successfully use all of that up. But we can come in. I don't know. Just kind of seeing what's going on. Let's add some hearts. I think we'll go like light pink, right? Or white, because, well, that's white. Yay. We'll put another one right over here. And that is going to do it. So another one of these page kits killed. Do have a lot of embellishments kind of left over. I mean, not a lot, but enough, right? So these I will stick in this baggie, and this is my new leftover baggie, because my other leftover baggie is, well, it has been used up. So super excited. You guys know that, you know, I love Paige Evans and Vicki Boutin. It's just not my style. So it's like I bought them and then I just never used them. So that is now completed. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.